Yo, what up guys? Big Money Fishing here, back at it at another video. We're at our local creek down in Fairview, Tennessee. I'm here with my buddy Caleb, as usual. We're about to start throwing some little lizards around here. Catch some smallies, largemouth. Hopefully stay tuned. Get ready for a beast video. That we caught. Good small one.
What's up guys? First fish of the day on the first spot. Nice little red eye. Well, not that little, but pretty good. Let's go back.
Smallie. Good size smallie. We're out here on spot number 2, baby.
Chill, dude. Golly, this guy's fierce. Oh my god.
Don't release him yet.
Okay, first smallie ever, for me.
Oh, your first smallie?
Yeah, a little tiny one. But, you know, we're still out here catching fish. Let's do it.
Beautiful.
So wants to take it up in the hangar, Joe? We're gonna dust it off first.
Nice one.
Pretty. Let him calm down. I'll grab him. Look at the colors on that thing.
Got one. It's pretty. It's very colorful.
Look at that, guys. That's so cool. What up guys? So far so good. So how I'm working this lizard, it's weighted. I'll just show you the setup real quick. It's weighted with a 2/0 eagle claw hook and a 4-inch lizard with about a 1/4 ounce bullet weight. See, me and Caleb are just sitting in this current and the smallmouth are just stacked up, so you just cast it out. Let it sink. Reel in the extra slack and kind of jig it up and down each time. Bumping that bottom, just scraping the bottom. Scraping. good when it scrapes that bottom. Got one.
Got one.
Ooh! Look at that! Nice! 3 smallie! Look at that hook set, guys. Another nice South Harpeth Creek bass in this beautiful current. Beautiful day. There, guys. Beautiful colors. Largemouth. Nice one.
Obviously all these fish are going to be a little small, but not too bad for a creek.
Snake, 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 snake! Ah!